We'll begin with the basics. Who popularized the catchphrase BAM while hosting a Food Network series in the late 1990s? Correct answer. Option C. Emeril Lagasse. Name the Netflix docuseries that devotes each episode to one acclaimed chef, beginning with Massimo Bottura. And the correct answer is option D, Chef's Table. On Chopped, contestants reveal their mystery ingredients by lifting what containers at their stations. Got it? Option A, baskets. These will make you think a little. Since season 1, who has served as head judge wielding the final say on Top Chef eliminations? And the correct answer is option B, Tom Colicchio. In the PBS and Netflix series known in the US as The Great British Baking Show, what rare reward from Judge Paul Hollywood signals stellar work? And it is option A, handshake. During the opening of each Iron Chef America battle, the chairman famously bites into which fruit before yelling, "Allez, cuisine!" You're looking for option D, apple. Contestants on Fox's Hell's Kitchen compete for a head chef post within the restaurant empire of which fiery host? The answer here is option A, Gordon Ramsay. Let's see who really knows their stuff. On Food Network's sabotage-heavy series Cutthroat Kitchen, which personality served as the maniacally gavel-wielding auctioneer? You're looking for option D, Alton Brown. Known for introducing French cuisine to U.S. home cooks, who hosted the pioneering 1960s WGBH series, The French Chef. It's option A, Julia Child. CNN's globe-trotting food and culture series that visited Hanoi with Barack Obama was fronted by which late chef writer? You're looking for option A, Anthony Bourdain. How many did you get? Drop your score in the comments and subscribe. We drop quizzes every day.